1947 talks about the time when India and Pakistan was about to get partitioned, and the journey of those people, especially the Parsis who had moved from Persia, and the way they used to know about people's nature. They uncovered the truth because there was a conspiracy against them, and there was a lot of enmity at times perpetrated for selfish motives between Indian and Pakistanis, and the relationship sometimes soured. And that was the time, 1947, when our India and Pakistan, they were two separate states, countries or whatever. So many people died in the mishap. And then there was a love story also brewing. It was Amir Khan who was in love with Nandita Das, and Amir Khan was a Muslim and Nandita Das was a Hindu, and there was also one more guy who was Rahul Khanna, who was also in love with Nandita Das. So the relationship was such that she was in love with Rahul Khanna, but Amir Khan loved her dearly, and he could go to any length to achieve, to get her. And there came a time when she actually, Nandita was even working for Kittu Gidwani. She was a Parsi who had a child who was handicapped. She was not able to walk from one of the leg was she had some crutches. So she helped her out, and she was very fond. Nandita was very fond of that child, girl child. And even that girl child was friendly with most of the villagers, Amir Khan and everybody. And what exactly happened, that he came to know about their love affair, and she was even ready to convert Nandita, and they wanted to actually get married. And she disclosed it with her Parsi madam, like Kittu. And even Kittu presented her with a gift and all that. And in between there were a lot of disturbance as usual, because that year was very sensitive, and there was a ceremony, kite flying ceremony, that also they have showcased it in a very fine manner on the terrace. Everyone is like flying kite, and he is teaching Nandita. He was in a romantic relationship, he wanted to be, but Nandita was in love with Rahul. So exactly what happened, that he killed Rahul and dumped him in a bag. That was very gruesome. And then even she was left stranded by none other than Amir Khan. And the movie ended, and there were a lot of disturbance as usual, clashes and all. And this movie has been shot by Deepa, written, directed, and produced by Deepa Mehta. So it's a must watch, 4.5 to 5 stars.